push the stove back, put the microwave over the stove, a through-wall vent. We want to move the dishwasher over 12 inches. Make this corner countertop, running it down here. Remove this island peninsula and then make an island here. Raise up the wall cabinets to standard height. Replace the ceiling. Remove the ceiling fan. Possibly do something with the wood stove, but that's not a priority. Remove the center posts and beam here. There's a soft spot in the floor because the hot water has leaked on a particle board subfloor. Remove all of this stairway area, the wall, and open it back up, which is relocating those wall switches, and replace all of this ceiling. New wood floor all the way from where the living room steps up right here, all into the kitchen, into the breakfast nook, down the hallway, and into the bathroom. So there's a closet door that needs to be fixed there too. Sheetrock repair throughout. So we're going into the breakfast nook. That all changed. Light fixtures. Here's the kitchen. Opened up that room. Took out that portion of the stairs. And changed the closet. We opened up this wall and then changed the living room floors and fixed the sheetrock. Removed the drop ceiling, leveled her floor 2 1/4 inches out of level. Added a bathroom light, spray painted the finish on the overhead light, put in a new toilet and a new vanity and a new floor, painted the walls. Added a light fixture, cleaned up the tub.